Are you sick and tired and addicted of OnlyFans and want to uninstall it? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can uninstall OnlyFans in your phone. So let's go ahead and locate your OnlyFans app which is in your phone. Tap on the OnlyFans and then you can go ahead and click uninstall and press OK. Another option to uninstall OnlyFans is by locating OnlyFans in your phone, tapping on it, going to its settings, and clicking uninstall and pressing OK. Shortly after you click uninstall, you can see that OnlyFans will be uninstalled from your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.